Car, a machine that can take people to places on roads. Bus, a big car that can carry many people on roads. Train, a long machine that moves on tracks and carries people or things. Bicycle, a small vehicle with two wheels that a person can ride. Plane, a vehicle that can fly in the sky and carry people or things. Boat, a small machine that moves on water and carries people or things. Motorcycle, a car with two wheels that can move very fast. Taxi, a car that can take people to places for money. Truck, a big car that can carry many things. Subway, a train that moves under the ground in cities. Ferry, a big boat that carries people and cars across the water. Van, a big car that carries people or things. Tram, a bus that moves on tracks in the city. Helicopter, a machine that can fly and stay in one place in the sky. Scooter, a small motorcycle with a seat. Ship, a very big boat that carries people or things across the sea. Bike, another word for a bicycle, a small vehicle with two wheels that a person can ride. Jeep, a strong car that can drive over rough ground. Trolley, a small vehicle that moves on tracks in the city. Wagon, an old vehicle with four wheels that horses pull.